Hello everyone, welcome to a world where numbers come alive and problem solving becomes fun. So get ready to sharpen your skills, think creatively, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning decimals. Now, let's see some examples of decimals. Examples: 3.14, 15.75, 0.5, 25.9703. In case if you have 0.17, it is read as 0.17. Now, let's see how to read the decimal numbers. Just write in words whole number, decimal point, and this is called as fractional part. 23.18, 1.987. This should not be read as 1.987 because after decimal point this is called as a fractional part. So 1.987. Now only decimal part is given. So just complete the question and then write 0.17. Now let's see how to write the decimal number. Vice versa of this. 385.12. So how will you write this in decimal form? 385. It's a whole number. So 385. Point means decimal point. 1, 2. 1, 2. 5.23. So just write down 5. Point means decimal point. 2, 3. 7,099 and 16 hundredth. So how will you write? 7,099. 7,099. Decimal point 1600. So you know the table, right? What is the place value chart of decimal table? Decimal point, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. This is ones, tens, hundreds, and towards the right side what you have? 1/10th, 1/100th, 1,000th. So in this way you have written 7,099. So here you have 1,000. So 7,099.1600 16. So this table is quite important. Now let's switch to the next page. Let's learn how to write the decimal numbers in expanded form. Very important. Expanded form. Whenever they'll give such questions, always remember the place value chart of decimals. 34.304. It should not be read as 34.304. It is read as 34.304. Now see this 34.304. So this is ones, this is tens. This is 1 by 10th, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay. So 10th, 100th, 1000th. So how will you write? 30 plus 4 plus 3 by 10. Why? Because this is 10th place, plus if you want you can discard this 0. It is read as what? 0 by 100. 0 by 100 is 0. 4 by 1000. So your final answer is 30 plus 4 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 1000. So in this way you can convert the decimal number into expanded form. 91.445. Ones, tens. 10th, 100th, 1000th. So after decimal point, these are called as fractional part, and this is a whole number part. So let's see expanded form. 90 plus 1. Now tell me, after this what should I write? Very good. 4 by 10, 4 by 100, 5 by 1000. 702.913. Now see, ones, tens, hundreds. So 700, even if you don't write this 0, still it is understood. So plus 2. Why plus 2? Because 2 is in which place? Ones place. Plus 9 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Because after decimal point, this places or this part is called as what? Fractional part. So we have write it down in which part? Fraction part. 623.003. So how will you write? 600 plus 20 plus 3. Now this is 10th, this is 100th, and this is 1000th. Even if you don't write these two places, still the answer is correct. So directly you can write 3 by 1000. So in this way we have learnt the decimal numbers which are given, how to convert that into expanded form. Now we are going to learn vice versa. It means the expanded form is given, you have to convert that expanded form into decimal number or decimal form. Write the following in decimal form. The question is 400. This is called as 2/10th, 100th place, 1000th place. So how will you write? Tell me. You have to convert this expanded form into standard form. That is called as what? Decimal form. So 4, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So it is written as 458. Now decimal point. 2 is in which place? 10th place. 1 is in 100th place. 8 is in 1000th place. So 218. So this is your decimal form. 6000 plus 20 plus 1 divided by 1000. So let's see how to do this. Ones place, tens place. Are you understanding? Now hundreds place is not given. Okay, let's see this sum with the help of table. Decimal point, correct? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and after that what you have? Thousands place, correct? 6 is in which place? Thousand. 2 is in tens place and 1 is in ones place. Now you don't have any digit in hundreds place. So write it down as 0. Are you getting? Point. Now you don't have tenth, you don't have hundredth. No, you have plus 358 divided by 1000. 358. So this is your final answer. 6021.358. So in this way we have learned the decimal numbers are given, how to convert that decimal numbers into expanded form. Now here what have we learned? How to convert the expanded form into decimal form, vice versa. Now switch to the next page. Identify the place value. Place means position. Value. What is the position or what is the place value of the Now let's see. How will you read this? 0.381. 3, that is tenth. 8 hundredth. 1000th. So I hope you understood how to find the solution. Now let's see. 0.381 dash tenth. So here what you will write? 3 plus 8 hundredths dash thousandth. Thousandth means your answer is 1. 0.737. So 7 tenths plus dash hundreds. So what is the answer in this digit or in this underlined part? So what is the answer? 3 plus dash thousandth. 7. Let's see the next question. 7 dash 5 ones plus dash. So any idea how to write? Now see, ones, tens. This is tenth and this is hundredth. So 7, what will you write over here? 5 ones, 7 tens plus what is this? 0 tenth. So discard this. So this will be written as what? 6 hundredth. 6 hundredth. Now let's see next sum. In this way you can understand the concept more clearly. Dash plus 114. So let's see how to do. Dash. It means what you have to write over here. 9 is in which place? Ones place. So 9 ones plus what? This 114 is in which place? Thousandth place. Which place? Thousands. So in this way again we have learned to identify the place value of the unknown digits, means underlined digits. Now let's see one application based question. Try to do on your own. What are the place values of 9 in So please comment the correct solution. So my dear students, that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing, stay curious and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of learning. If you enjoyed this class, please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to share what you learned with friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.